guys, it's your girl Majestie and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I have come with tips on how to start 2019 on the right note. Now I literally cannot believe I'm doing this video again. Like, I literally did one for 2018 and I cannot believe how this year has like literally flown by this fast. But anyway, I have come with tips for 2019, so let's get into it. Number one, I would recommend getting a 2019 planner. Reason being, it's got each month of the year in it, so that way you can write down goals that you should have achieved each month. So let's go, working out, right? It's a big thing each year. Everyone wants to work out, lose weight, look good. Yeah, I get ya. So why don't you put little goals in each month that you should have achieved? So you're working out, you're losing weight. So put in February, I should have lost 2 pounds. By March, I should have lost a stone. By June, another stone. Or if you want, weigh yourself. Put down your current weight in January, what you think you should weigh by February, and so on as it goes. As you write the goals each month, you have something to look forward to, something to work towards, and something that you know you should be achieving. That way, by the end of the year, you should have achieved your goal. Tip number 2, I would say create a timetable for yourself. You're going about your day each day. How are you going to include something on that day to help you reach your monthly goal? Well, set a timetable. You've got work at that time, you finish at that time, you've got to do something after work. But after you've done that, say working out was your goal, say you're free at 5 o'clock, at 5 o'clock, boom, working out and done. That's something that you're doing on that day to achieve your monthly goal. Number 3, I would say set reminders on your phone. So you've done your monthly goals in your planner and you've done your timetable, so you've got something to do each day. But to stay on top of that, set a reminder on your phone. If you are going to work out at 5 o'clock, at 4:50, set a reminder. You got 10 minutes to work out. At 4:55, 5 minutes and counting. At 5 o'clock, it's workout time. And then if you're a bit lazy and you probably won't even be ready at 5:05, are you working out yet? Check in with yourself. At the end of the day, sometimes we have to rely on ourselves. Sometimes we have to do things for ourselves because we can't keep relying on other people. So people, I really hope that these tips help you, and I really, really hope that you achieve everything you set out to do in 2019. I pray it's a good year for you and more opportunities and blessings, and that you conquer this year. Conquer it. Conquer 2019. Make it be the best year ever. And I really hope you have a lovely new year. And guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video, and I will definitely see you in another one. But before you go, please leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed it, and I will definitely see you. Bye.